Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn some scrap square tubing into an incredibly sturdy, custom-made bench clamp. I'll arrange them into an L shape and carefully tack weld them together. It's crucial to make sure they are perfectly square before committing to the final weld. Once secured, I'll go back over with a solid weld bead to ensure maximum strength. Next, I'm using a slag hammer and wire brush to clean the welding slag so that the joint is smooth and ready for the next step. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll take a solid metal rod and weld it parallel to the main arm. I'll measure it carefully and use my angle grinder to trim off the excess. This rod is incredibly important because it will ensure the clamping jaw moves smoothly and stays perfectly aligned when we apply pressure. I will weld another sturdy metal bar onto the frame. Then, I'll mark the exact length needed and cut off the remaining piece. Here, I'm marking the center point on the short arm of our frame. I'll take it over the drill press and create a hole. This hole is essential because it is where our threaded clamping screw will eventually pass through. Let's work on the clamping pad. I have a small square piece of flat steel. I'll mark the exact center by drawing diagonal lines. This pad will distribute the clamping pressure evenly on whatever material we are working with. After drilling a hole right in the middle of the flat piece of metal, I will use a grinder to cut straight lines to create diamond shapes on the metal. Creating these small diamond shapes helps the pad easily and securely fix the metal in place. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. For the main screw, I'm using a sturdy threaded rod with a couple of nuts. I will secure in a vise and cut off the outer thread of the threaded rod. Then I'll carefully attach the square pad we just made to the end, securing it so it can swivel slightly. This swivel action is key to gripping uneven surfaces securely. I'll slide the threaded rod assembly through the hole we drilled earlier. To make it function, I'll weld the nuts directly onto frame right over the hole. This acts as a fixed thread, allowing the rod to move in and out as we turn it. I'll clean up the weld to keep things functioning smoothly. Our clamp needs a solid foundation. I'm taking a thick, heavy steel bar to act as the base. I'll position our assembled frame onto the base and weld it securely in place. This heavy base will allow the clamp to be used safely as a standalone heavy-duty tool. To complete the mechanism, I will weld a small metal rod over the threaded screw head to create a T-shaped handle. This will allow us to easily rotate and tighten it. Finally, a coat of black spray paint will protect our new tool from rust and give a sleek, professional look. Look at how perfectly it turned out. The screw mechanism operates smoothly, and the whole unit feels incredibly solid. Let's test out its gripping power. I'll clamp down this piece of square tubing. See how firmly it holds? I can use my angle grinder on it without any movement whatsoever. This homemade tool is quite powerful. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.